Skipping rope workout for weight loss. Welcome to my channel Munir Health. We provides daily videos on a wide range on health issues. Skipping rope is a form of cardiovascular training that world-class athletes, from boxers to professional soccer players, all practice. Skipping rope helps calves toned, tighten your body, improve your lung capacity and build endurance. Skipping rope is a full-body exercise, so it burns a lot of calories in a short time. For an average-sized person, skipping rope can even burn more than 10 calories per minute. But just skipping will not be enough to help you lose weight. Skipping can be part of a diet and exercise routine that speeds up your metabolism and helps you lose weight quickly. However, there are a few other things you should know before trying this type of workout. How to lose weight by practicing skipping rope. The secret to skipping rope to lose weight starts from understanding how to lose weight. Medical literature confirms that the first weight loss principle is to create a calorie deficit. A calorie deficit is simply defined as using more calories than you consume throughout the day. You can do this by paying attention to your food intake and by burning calories through exercise. To lose 0.45 kilograms of fat per week, you need to create an adequate calorie deficit of 500 to 1,000 calories per day. That is about 3,500 calories per week. The number of calories you lose through skipping will depend on your weight as you start. A calorie is an energy measurement. Weight is a measurement of gravity. As you get heavier, you need more energy to counteract gravity to move your body. That's why heavier people burn more calories when exercising. Results from skipping weight loss vary depending on diet, target weight loss, your activity level, the level of commitment to work out. You also need to consider other factors, such as your age and metabolism, which may affect how quickly you see weight loss results. For example, we will use a female 67.5 kilogram. By focusing on mindful eating, she can create a calorie deficit of 3,500 calories to 0.45 kilograms weight loss per week. If she adds a 20-minute skipping exercise to her routine, 5 days a week, she will lose an extra 200 calories a day. That's an additional 1,000 calories burned each week, which will help her increase her weight by an additional 0.25 kilograms per week. Doctors do not recommend losing more than 1 kilogram per week, as it can begin to affect your muscle mass. With the weight loss rate of 0.7 kilograms per week, she will lose 2.7 kilograms per month. If she followed her routine, she would lose 5 pounds in 2 months. When her weight drops, she will have to jump rope for longer periods or limit her calories further to continue to get the same result. It can take up to 4 months for her to see obvious results, like losing weight of 9 kilograms. Weight loss of 9 kilograms will be a significant proportion of her starting weight, which can make it difficult to achieve. Skipping at 70 kilograms will burn significantly less calories than skipping at 56.2 kilograms. There are other factors to consider when you skipping rope to lose weight. For example, doing the same exercise multiple times will result in diminishing results. Cross-training through other aerobic exercise, such as weight training, jogging or cardio, will help increase the amount of calories you burn and help you not be affected by the stability level when losing weight. Before you start any calorie restriction plan, talk to your doctor about your goals and health history. Diets like keto or paleo are gaining popularity, but factors like high cholesterol and heart disease make them not a good choice for you. The best way to start the weight loss process is to change your food choices. Choose fiber-rich, nutrient-rich protein forms that can reduce hunger. While cutting back on refined sugars and carbohydrates will help reduce hundreds of calories from your daily consumption. How to skipping rope to lose weight. A misconception about skipping rope to lose weight is that you skipping rope at a constant normal speed. The key to skipping rope as well as aerobic exercise lies in high-intensity interval training, HIIT. That means that you train at high intensity for short periods, then rest time. This is a rope skipping exercise. You will need a stopwatch or an application that has a timer. Set 1, skipping rope for 30 seconds straight. This can be difficult. Rest for 60 seconds, then do an additional 30 seconds. Repeat 9 times. Set 2, skipping rope for 30 seconds, continuously changing legs, shifting weight back and forth between the legs and hold your body tightly. Rest for 90 seconds. Do this 4 more times. Set 3, finish with a jump circuit combination. Do 30 seconds jumping rope, rest only 12 seconds before doing 30 jumping jacks. Rest for 12 seconds and practice 30 seconds dancing burpees. Rest again and end with 30 seconds of push-up. If you've never used a skipping rope, or if you know a little, then here's the basics of rope skipping. Start standing upright and with your feet shoulder width apart. Use your wrist to bring the strap forward. When you swing the rope forward, you also move your wrist up slightly so that the rope will fall between your ankles and knees. You should practice this exercise a few times and see where the rope falls before trying to jump over it. The moment the rope falls in front of your toes, you use your force to jump over the rope. Once you've successfully done this, continue. Count how many times you can cross the rope at your feet without stopping. This may take some practice, but eventually you will practice naturally. It is considered by experts to be an effective and safe method of weight loss, fat reduction and natural fat reduction. If you like this video, please hit the like button and comment about the video. So, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to get the latest videos.